So they want me to pick my favorite feature. There are so many favorite features. My favorite feature of Fundy software right now is actually the proofer. I love the fact that we can personalize it further, like that we can use like a spread from the wedding as an image picture on the cover. I love that we can use the wall art as the cover, and the proofer makes it very, very easy for them to feel like, oh, this is not nearly as difficult as I thought it was gonna be. So the proofer in itself is my absolute favorite thing right now. It's just the best, like super easy. I love it. I absolutely love it.